both Yuma and Imperial counties.
Yeah, the ACLU is urging officials to vaccinate everyone in custody. News 11's Crystal Jimenez to explain more.
The number of apprehensions at the border are still happening at alarming numbers. CBP tells me just today 360 people surrendered themselves at the border. Some of these detainees are eventually sent to ICE detention facilities. And now activists are asking for these detainees to be vaccinated with the COVID shot.
We're, the premier guardian of civil rights and liberties for all.
The American Civil Liberties Union is now gearing its fight to get those in ICE detention facilities access to the COVID vaccine.
ICE detention centers were one of the worst hotspots for COVID, with thousands of cases reported. So that's why we think it's important that ICE acts quickly to make sure that they are providing sufficient vaccines.
In a letter sent to the facilities across Arizona, the ACLU cites COVID outbreaks still happening within the facilities. The ICE website showing 205 active cases within its 4 Arizona facilities as of 2 days ago.
Those vulnerable populations were the ones that were most at risk for COVID. And we've seen a significant progress in other centers, but ICE seems to be lagging on distributing those vaccines.
With the flow of undocumented immigrants heading to the border, U.S. Customs and Border Protection transfers those detained to ICE facilities across the country. Those who are detained are not tested for COVID-19 while in CBP custody. The National ACLU also sent a letter to the Department of Homeland Security.
We know that the vast majority of people in ICE detention have yet to receive a vaccine dose for COVID. And so we believe it is imperative that ICE acts quickly to make sure that they have the sufficient vaccine.
The ACLU also mentions the new variants and continued outbreaks in the ICE detention facilities, requesting that they act quickly before it's too late. Reporting in Yuma, Crystal Jimenez, News 11.
Crystal, thanks. More COVID relief now. The United States Small Business Administration is launching a new grant program that was crafted by Senator Mark Kelly.